Launching! 3, 2, 1! Holy...
I have a certain philosophy that not everybody agrees with. And that goes that you should take some of the goals that you wanted to accomplish as a child, and at some point in your adult life, seek out and try to accomplish those, if that makes any sense. A goal I had as a child was always to launch something into space. Now, maybe I wasn't the most normal of child, but that's really beyond my point. To accomplish said goal, I present my latest creation. It is a 100% 3D printed rocket. I call it the highlighter because it's yellow and it flies high. I printed it with the yellow PLA filament. The reasoning behind the yellow is I was thinking it would be a lot easier to see when it comes hurtling back to Earth. We'll see if that was a good idea or not. But before any of that, we first need to assemble the rocket inside and out, and then also add a little bit of style to it. So let's get started on that. The outside of the rocket is pretty simple. Just glue all the pieces together. Inside is where things get a little more complicated. Rocket engines can be kind of flammable, so that's why I keep them in this plastic Looney Tunes lunchbox, which I just discovered used to belong to a Miss Hannah White. So thank you, Hannah, for your lunchbox. I keep rocket parts in it. The dumbest thing about this whole project, besides in general of it being dumb, is I have everything I need to launch the rocket except a launch pad. Well, it's actually just cheaper to go buy a whole new rocket kit than it is to buy a launch pad. Also, side note, why is this rocket called Taser? Not even the Taser.
You know what would be a really kick-ass name? Taser!
Okay, so we got what we really needed, the launch pad right here. A thin cardboard tube that's supposed to be the actual rocket. Taser. A parachute that's probably not going to work, and we're going to have to test that, because this feels like shit. Parachute test number 1. No, 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 no. Thank you!
You suck, you jackass!
Now that I have a working parachute, all we have to do is just package up the rest of the rocket and it's ready to fly. I don't think the glue dried all the way on the inside. It smells pretty bad. Is E6000 glue flammable?
According to Eclectic Products, E6000 registered as a unique self-leveling, non-flammable industrial adhesive formulated to meet high-performance requirements.
Well, there we go.
You make
out like a pukey green color. It's kind of gross. It looked yellow on the screen, but I'm launching that in like 40 minutes. I do not have time to fix it. So we're just gonna go with the pukey green. Okay, now it's time to find out whether I've constructed a successful rocket, a firework, or more of a bomb. So safety is key in this type of situation. I think we're about ready.
GoPro, start recording! GoPro, start recording! Launching! 3, 2, 1! Holy... It worked! It worked! Oh no! The parachute! No! It worked! It worked! It worked! No, that's not a good idea. It worked! It worked! There it is! There it is! Oh, the nose got detached. The rest of it's right there. It's fine. It worked. Oh, yeah. It worked. I can't believe it worked. Oh, the inside's nasty, but that doesn't matter. It worked. Well, at the end of the day, we now have a plastic tube that smells like a fart, and we didn't make it to space. In fact, we only made it about like 200 feet in the air. And the jump cord broke. That's why it landed in 2 pieces, and I don't know why it broke.
I super glued the rocket to my finger. This happens a lot more than you would.
I'm still willing to call this day a win. I had lots of fun, didn't get too badly hurt, and made a semi-successful rocket. So, thanks for sticking with me.